Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. I am Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place where you guys can come to get the most reliable and best sports content on the internet. And interesting and entertainment. Everything you need.
You get it here. What are we doing today? What are we doing today though?
Alright, so today we are going to talk about the match on Tuesday. Jamaica versus USA.
So let's address the first thing though. Give me your general opinion on this game. Jamaica versus USA in the National Stadium, Independence Park. We will be there. Give me your opinion going into the game.
Alright, so excitement is an adjective that I would use to describe how I feel about finally going back to the National Stadium after so long. So long to finally go back into the National Stadium. I'm very excited. However, it's tainted by the results that we have acquired leading up to the game. Or my optimistic self believes that we still have a slight chance to turn it around, and that's what we're going to do. How do you feel going into this game?
I'm on the opposite side, bro. I'm not excited at all. I'm not enthused. I'm not looking forward to the game.
Not even the slightest bit of excitement?
Jamaica break me, bro. Yeah, I'm an Arsenal fan, and Jamaica has done to me what Arsenal did to me 2 years ago.
And you would say you're not necessarily an emotional person.
I'm not a big emotional person.
But on Friday you felt emotion.
Right. I was out of it. But let's say, going to the game, I'm expecting heart, I'm expecting fight because it's all on the line now. I expect the guys to be working hard, and that's something that I've never criticized the team about before, because the guys work hard. That's one thing, but they don't play football. Like they don't put the ball on the ground, they don't have any tactics. But working hard is something that Jamaica national team does. You know, so I'm looking forward to seeing that.
So hard, but
yeah.
You're not expecting to see technical football.
I know what I'm getting from Jamaica at this point. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm expecting us to go and play football, you know, play through balls out to Liam Bailey on the wing and cross the... No, I know what I'm getting. I'm getting long balls from the back, Damian Lowe, Andre Blake, up to Shaman Nichols trying to get it down, out to Liam Bailey, never win a header, out to Bobby Reed on the flank, never win a header. Kemal Roop try to control the ball, bounce off. I know what I'm getting at this point. So, yeah.
Well,
you want the lineups?
Before lineups, let's go to players to watch.
Key players,
yeah.
right.
Alright, so who are you looking out for both?
I'm also looking out for Ricardo Pepi. You know, always a dangerous player.
Always a dangerous player up top, always charging the lines, always leading the USA forward as it relates to making things happen as a forward.
And their substitute in the last game, which I'm pretty sure won't be a substitute in this game, Christian Pulisic. Yeah,
Christian Pulisic I think will start, and I think will cause us a lot of problems. Me personally, what I'll be paying attention to is Walker Zimmerman, their centre-back, top MLS centre-back, but has often not been included in this US team because he's not seen as good enough, fighting against centre-backs who plan their trade in Europe, so on and so forth. He had an outstanding game against Mexico, and he proved himself valuable in the USMNT program, and I think going forward they will trust him more at the centre-back position, but he will pose a problem to our big centre-backs because he has size, he has strength, and he's a smart individual with experience. So Walker Zimmerman is somebody I'm looking out for. And for Jamaica, Liam Bailey.
Right.
I'm hoping and expecting that Liam Bailey will provide a Liam Bailey performance in this game and give us a 10 out of 10. We've seen him make magic happen in red and Clarendon and blue, and we've seen him do it domestically overseas. However, he's never really done it for Jamaica, and I think this game, I'm hoping this game, if he's given the right circumstance and put into the best position to do it, I think he will provide us with an outstanding performance today and help us go forward. And
to add to that, I will say don't look forward to that. Don't be expecting that. Because if Liam Bailey,
pessimist,
no, it's not pessimist. I've accepted what Jamaica national team brings, and I'm telling you, if Liam Bailey is to score, it will be a moment of magic. It will be from a set piece. It will be from, you know, a moment in the game. Which is why my key player I'm looking out for from Jamaica is Michael Antonio. That is my moments guy. You know, I'm not going to be expecting all of this fancy play from Jamaica at this point.
And Michail Antonio is not only a Jamaican moment guy. Michail Antonio is one of the moment guys in all of Europe.
Right now.
He just seems to always be involved when West Ham does good things.
And he did it for Jamaica in the last. We needed a goal. He came on. Out of nothing, he made something.
Absolutely nothing.
So I'm looking out for him.
Another wayward clearance / long pass, and it resulted in a goal, you know?
Alright, let's talk about our starting lineup. Going into this game.
Will I go first?
Yeah.
Alright, so I would start in net Andre Blake, our captain and leader. At left back, Kemar Lawrence. And at left central defender, left centre back, I'd go with Liam Moore instead of Mariappa. I've been back in Mariappa, but in the El Salvador game, he began a bit shaky. We saw a few bad touches, and not that that's enough to condemn him as a player, but I think that's enough to get Liam Moore back into the squad, because on paper, Liam Moore is more quality, and Liam Moore has been a servant for Jamaica for the short time that he's been here. So I'd go with Liam Moore, obviously Damian Lowe, who had an excellent game on the defensive side in the last match. An excellent game, in spite of the wayward passes, but I'm going to just chalk that up to bad coaching. Right back, Javian Brown. Please give Javian Brown the opportunity that he deserves. What more does Fisher and Alvas Powell have to not prove in order to give Javian Brown a chance to prove himself?
I agree.
Javian Brown at right back. I would go 4-3-3. I would use a 6 and an 8. I would use Anthony Grant as my number 6, my destroyer, to break up play, to clean up, to get the work done, and then Speedy Williams, who works hard, box to box, that transition play from the 6 to the 10 or from the 6 to the wingers. Speedy Williams would be that guy responsible for that. So I start Anthony Grant, Devon Williams, and of course we saw him in the number 4 jersey, Rafael Marcin. The best midfielder on the team, the most creative player on the team. Rafael Marcin should start, and Rafael Marcin should play 90 minutes. And then on the left wing, reluctantly, I'd go with Bobby De Cordova-Reid. And the reason I say reluctantly is because Bobby Reid has not played any football for Jamaica since he contracted COVID-19 at the Gold Cup. He scored an amazing goal, and then he got COVID and he has not played football since. And it's not that he is not capable of playing football, because he's amazing in the championship right now. But in a Jamaica shirt, Bobby Reid has not been doing well, but I'd still give him the nod because his competition is Junior Fleming and Lemar Walker. And can they do much better? I wouldn't be surprised to see Fleming's out there, and I wouldn't necessarily be mad at that though. And then up top, I'd start Michail Antonio, simply because he's the best option up top, and not only is he the best on paper, but he proved himself to me in the last game. And Liam Bailey at the right wing. How would you line up?
I'm copying your back 5. You know, Andre Blake in goal, Lawrence left back, Moore and Lowe centre backs, and Javian Brown as the right back.
Alright. This
is where my team differ though. In the midfield, I would start a double pivot of Javon Watson and Anthony Grant. Just because I feel like we need to respect the American midfield and try to take them on the counter. But it's just my team. I know that Javon Watson is injured. He came off injured in the last game, so he might be injured. So Speedy Williams in the midfield.
But I just like to say, Rush, a draw is a loss.
I agree, but yeah, we have to respect the opponent nevertheless. Rafael Marcin on top of that midfield, you know, to give us the creative spark. On the left, I'm going Michail Antonio. That guy is a fast guy. He's a strong guy. He's done it for West Ham on the left before, so I know that he's fully capable.
That wing back too.
Right, exactly. Versatile guy. Up top, Shaman Nicholson. I need my goals in the team, and on the right, I'm going with Liam Bailey. So that's my team for this game.
Alright, so as it relates to your team, Michail Antonio as the left winger, because you saw how much of a problem I was having finding somebody to fill that left wing position. So I did not object to that. And I've always been a proprietor of Antonio and Shamar Nicholson starting together. I think that can be good for the team. So I will not argue on that point. However, one thing I will object to is the double pivot with the 2 number 6s and the lack of a number 8.
I understand that comment, you know, but at the same time, America is a big team, bro.
Yeah.
America is a ball playing team. America will carve through Jamaica's midfield. So I just need a defensive. I understand what you're saying still, you know. And we might see Speedy and Grant just because Watson is injured anyway. And guys, don't get it wrong. This is not a predicted lineup. This is our lineup if we were in charge. So, yeah, one thing though, and I must say before we leave, I don't want to see Kemar Roof in this team.
I don't even want to see Kemar Roof in a jersey.
I don't want to see Kemar Roof in this team.
And don't get me wrong, Kemar Roof has worked hard and he has shown to me that he wants to be there. Unlike other players who just sometimes seems like they do not. Kemar Roof has shown me that he wants to be there, but
Can I say something?
Go.
If as an attacker, your first comment that you get is that you work hard, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Why are we not saying that he's playing wicked 2 balls out to Liam Bailey, to Bobby Reed, nice passes, breaking the lines to Shaman Nicholson?
The goalkeeper working, getting rebound, getting shots off.
Not
none
for
of
me.
the above.
Kemar Roof is not it.
I want to address something. I collaborated with Military Guna. Guys, go check out the videos that we did on this channel.
We put it in the description.
Yeah, I collaborated with Guna and he and his fans were adamant that Kemar Roof was this technical baller far superior to that of MICHAIL Antonio. And I completely disagree. So I want you guys, these are that Sports TV fans, in the comments, tell us who do you think is more technical? Kemar Roof or MICHAIL Antonio? Because I don't think there's any competition. I think in that game, Kemar Roof showed that technically he's not in class with not any of the top technical footballers.
We know that. We know that. Well, let us know.
Let us know in the
Also,
comments.
just some things coming up. The game on Tuesday, we will be there. We're giving you pre-match content.
Guys,
post-match content.
we will be there from the gates. From the gate, them fly.
1 o'clock we will be in the stadium.
From the gates, from they allow us in, we will be there. And who knows, maybe even before they allow us in. But we won't even go further on that. Guys, we will be there. I'm showing you guys the boys warming up. We will be having interviews with fans before the game. The FIFA anthem, players leading out, the PA announcing the lineup, guys. We'll be carrying you straight through all the way. And after the game, we'll be having fan cams, fan reactions, just talking to the fans, getting a feel of what they think about the program, what they think about the game, what they think about Taylor Whitmore. Guys, we'll be doing it all.
Nobody's doing it like this.
Nobody. Just check it out. Nobody's doing the work that we are doing. Share the video, like the video, subscribe, and
nothing more left to say, bro. That's it. So yeah, guys, that's it from This or That Sports TV today. We're looking forward to Tuesday. Come on, Reggae boys, let's get this one.
Chip, all the way before we go, predictions for the game, bro.
Head and heart. I'm going head and heart. My head says we will lose this game 2-0. My head says we will lose this game 2-0, 2 to USA. But my heart says we can win this game 1-0.
Alright, so I'm just going to give you guys my prediction. Liam Bailey, free kick. Because I believe the only way we beat this USA team is by a dead ball. So that's my prediction. I'm laying on the gauntlet.
That's it. Let's go.
Thank you guys for joining us. Out.